Hola, soc en Gerard, un dels components del grup Assemblies, juntament amb en Ryan i la Rachel.
This project was about taking different perspectives on how human habitation makes effects on the Earth. So we had 3 separate areas that raised questions based on different observations.
El primer mòdul consta d'una instal·lació en forma de terrari que té una impressió 3D d'illes de l'Eixample i aquesta està habitada per cucs, que és una metàfora a les persones que habitem la ciutat.
And this was viewed by a camera from above, which tracked the motion of the lens that was sent to a hologram that was of a local neighborhood from here.
Després prenem les dades de temperatura i d'humitat de 2 sensors que tenim en el terrari i ho passem a unes imatges que aquestes imatges estan extretes d'un microsatèl·lit que va llançar l'Agència Catalana Espacial que estan relacionades amb el canvi climàtic, amb com afecta a Catalunya.
Our project is interdimension space between us. And of course, a big part of it too is weaving a subconscious ritual through the process. And we wanted to invite people into a subconscious ritual through play.
One of the things that we have discussed the most when it comes to Gaia was interconnectedness and how different groups of microorganisms cooperate. This interconnectedness was pretty much what brought us to think about individualism and collectivity, and somehow showed through the different stages of the installation that how individual can become something collective.
Hello, my name is Swaeny and next to me is Cesarine. We're both artists at the IMMENSIVA Residency here. We are here to present our project, The Shrine of Life.
The idea was to create a place where people can slow down and go to a place where it's really calm, quiet, to reconnect with themselves. It's about sensation.
About the complete experience of the ritual and the time you take to slow down.
And listen to yourself. That's it. Thank you.